Those who receive a certificate and medals. Volleyball player during the PISA UAB.
Guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa NDL, Notre Dame of Libungan. Kasi graduation, moving up ng aking anak. Sa grade 9 pa guys. Next is grade 11 na. Grade 9.
Rosa Giovanna, with an average grades of 50%, also received a certificate during Department Award. Honors rank high, Lumibao Anisian and with an average grades of 90%. Also received a special award, Rivera Urjan White, Sibatanao during Jeremy Meet. Carmela Alexander James, senior class.
Yan sila guys. Graduate na sila guys. Yan yung anak ko guys. So.
So these are the set of grade 9 St. Francis of the CC awardees. So requesting everyone to please come forward to take the picture.
Siya mo na pinakauna. With highest
also round 1 with high honors. Early Charles C. with an average of 97%. He will also receive the Leadership Award, the Perfect Attendance Award, Most Punctual, Most Responsible Student, the Department Award, That's from the Class, Well-Known Student, and the Medal and Certificates for Sports Awards in Volleyball, and Academic Awardee for participating in Science Quiz Week during the PRISA and GMA. Another with high honors from 1, Gonzalez with an average of 97%. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award, Most Responsible Student, Department Award, That's from the Class, Senior of the Class, receive an medal and certificates for Dancer of the Year Award for participating in K-pop, Jubing, Pupisa, and J-Baby. Green High Honors Round 2, Mamagonyong Emperor People Navy, with an average of 96%. She will also receive Most Responsible Student, Important Award, Dancer of the Class Award. Green High Honors Round 3, Zapaleta Andrea B, with an average of 95%. She will also receive Exemplary Service Award, Dancer of the Class Award, and a medal and certificates for Sports Award for participating in volleyball, jury, Pupisa, and Jimmy. Another round 3, Green High Honors, for Temos Rihanna Rose B, with an average of 95%. She will also receive Perfect Attendance Award, Most Responsible Student, Deportment Award, Dancer of the Class, and Well-Groomed Student Award. Green High Honors Round 3, Marvin Visa Macy, with an average of 95%. She will also receive Most Punctual, Most Responsible Student, Dancer of the Class, Well-Groomed Student Award. Round 3, Green High Honors, Saranillo Erica B, with an average of 95%. She will also receive Most Responsible Student, Deportment Award, and Dancer of the Class Award. Another round 3, Green High Honors, and now by Gina Hernandez, with an average of 95%, and a medal and certificate for Dancer of the Year Award for participating in hip-hop jury. Another round 3, Green High Honors, Salon Ashley B. Q, with an average of 95%. She will also receive Well-Groomed Award and a medal and certificates for Dancer of the Year Award for participating in folk dance, jury, Pupisa, and Jimmy. Another Green High Honors Round 3, Ramos Naira Sheikh R, with an average of 95%. She will also receive